In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the automatic parking feature that's available in some X5s. So, to get started, make sure you're in the parking view, put the car in drive, and then you want to check this box in the corner there. And I'm going to slowly come up to this parking spot that's on my right. And as I do that, a parking icon will appear in the corner, like so. And then I'll come to a stop and press it. And I need to make sure that my seatbelt's fastened while I do this. Otherwise it won't work. The blinkers will automatically turn on, and then I'll release the brake, and it'll automatically start doing it. And during this time period, you want to keep your foot hovered over the brake, just in case. And as you can see, the steering does itself, as does the driving. And the car will manually go and drive in reverse as it needs to. And there you have it. Now, I didn't put my foot in the brake one time during that time period, but you always want to remain cautious and make sure that you have it over the brake if you need.